Republic TV is tracking what else is to follow as far as the massive drug nexus crackdown by the NCB is concerned. Sources have told your channel that NCB is set to summon 3 top male actors next. As the crackdown into the larger drug nexus is getting bigger, NCB has gathered digital evidence against 3 top film industry actors, and they will be called soon for questioning. Let's also go across to my colleague Niranjan joining us from our Mumbai newsroom for more on this.
Yeah, Shivani, you know, we've been hearing for the longest time now, ever since Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor were summoned along with Rakul Preet, that there was enough evidence also against bigger stars. Now, over the weekend, there were several details that we picked up, and these details included evidence that was gathered, the different meetings that were held, including by Rakesh Asthana, the DG of NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau in Mumbai, was on the digital evidence that was collected. The fact that the boss himself, the big boss himself was here, showed us that the story could get bigger because there are big names emerging. Now, what we hear is that 3 big stars, and we're just giving out the code names. In fact, we have the details with us. And mark my word, Shivani, when we said D and K, when we refer to Deepika and Karishma, when we broke the story saying D and K, the next day the names came out and they were summoned. And we have heard from our reliable sources that actors, superstars, A, S and R, we're not giving out the names. We know the names, but we are not giving that out. In fact, we also know who the stars are, but we don't want to give out too many details. Now, we know that the code name, as of now, we are saying that these actors, we'll just call them A, S and R. These 3 male actors will be called next. The entire focus of the investigation will be on these 3 male actors because there is ample evidence against these 3 actors. Now, this is evidence in the form of digital evidence and chats, we have been told, which they have stumbled upon in the course of their investigation. And some more details we've picked up about these 3 stars, Superstar A, Superstar S and Superstar R, is that they have all worked with Deepika Padukone in the past. Now, this is the only hint that we have. And that's as much as we can say as of this minute. But the story is really going to get bigger. And the fact, I repeat that, the fact that the big boss of the Narcotics Control Bureau is also looking at it. They're all looking at every bit of evidence, Shivani, because they want to be really, really sure. Because once the summons go out, once the story breaks, all hell is going to break loose in Bollywood, because there is already a big flutter. We know about that flutter. Big names, we spoke about that, about how all these big stars have begun consulting their top lawyers, expensive lawyers, and it's all going to come down over the weekend, and next week is what we are told. We've been given a timeline of roughly 7 to 10 days when the action will begin unfolding. These are the details that are available with us, Shivani, and we're expecting all of this to unfold in the next 7 to 10 days. Like I said, once again, repeating the details that we can put out and what we have so far. These actors, okay, let's briefly give it. These actors are between 30 and 60. That much we can say. These actors are between 30 and 60. These actors have worked with Deepika Padukone, all 3 of them. At some stage have shared screen space with Deepika on the silver screen. And this is as much as we can say. And regarding the evidence collected, let me tell you, there is ample evidence of these actors either using narcotic substances or being involved in the supply of these narcotic substances. Now, that's as much as we can say. And all of these actors, or some of them, have business interests as well. That's as much as we can reveal as of now. But let me tell you, it's all going to come down heavily next week when these 3 actors will be summoned officially. As of now, no official summons were given. But over the weekend, the 3 or 4 phones that were cloned, including that of Rakul Preet, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan and Deepika Padukone, could be more trouble. The role of Kwon has also been under scanner, and I think the role of Kwon becomes central to the entire investigation, because the real owner of Kwon is also under investigation. The real owner of Kwon is also under investigation, and top managers at Kwon have been summoned and questioned already. Not just that, the role of Kwon itself as a drug company, the manner in which top bosses are loved and encouraged, supply of drugs to actors. Now, these actors themselves, when they were questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, have given some ridiculous responses to the tune of, drugs are, we speak in drug slang code language, but they're not really drugs, but they're just cigarettes, for example. That's as silly as it can get. But of course, there is proof, there is evidence that they will now look at very closely. One more aspect that we'd like to highlight, the statements of these 4 actors are tutored and almost on the same line, similar responses, similar line of defense. So they're sure, the Narcotics Control Bureau is sure about the fact that all of this is a coordinated attempt to perhaps save someone bigger, to shield someone bigger. And that's why the story is going to get bigger, Shivani. This is as much as we can tell. We don't want to sort of give away too much at this stage. But mark the letters, mark the initials, right. ASNR.
No, so Niranjan, what you're suggesting is, and what sources are indicating is, that this is no longer just about calling certain big names from the industry who may have, procured certain contraband substances, as has been the charge against the likes of Deepika Padukone and others, for personal consumption here and there. Yeah. As far as these top male actors are concerned, this is more than that. This is about being part of the syndicate.
Yeah. Completely. Shivani, let me tell you a little bit more about, okay, I'll try and, squeeze out as much as I can and give it, because I can't do too much for, for reasons that we know best. We don't want to give out too much as of now. But let me tell you, it's not just about 1 or 2 actors consuming drugs, right? It's about the entire syndicate. It's about the role of actors in the larger drug nexus. And that is something that the Narcotics Control Bureau has stumbled upon. Shivani, as far as I remember, in the last few years and over a decade, that I have witnessed news from up close in newsrooms, I have not seen an investigation like this where so much of evidence is collected, phones are cloned, evidence is shown and collected, and they're very sure about, the kind of action that they're taking. And I think over the weekend, there has been so much of a deliberation here in Mumbai at the NCB headquarters, because never before, honestly never before, have we seen the NCB work in a case with as much of a media glare, right? And you know it, I know it, and that's why they want to be really sure that the people that they now call for questioning, they're very sure about that, and they've been collecting evidence. These are some of the details that is already, some of it is already out in the public domain and what we have reported, but they wanted to be sure that they call these actors with enough charges and there's enough weight to all of the allegations, so that when they are called, they can't wriggle out easily. Because even in the case of Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, there has been evidence. People may laugh about it. This entire lobby, the PR lobby is trying to, and the pro-Bollywood lobby is trying to laugh about it, saying it's just about a role or a joint. No, it's not. It's a bigger nexus. Can you imagine? I mean, in any country, if a company was officially supplying drugs, it is a big charge. And the ownership pattern of this company, and the larger nexus of how easily drugs were sold, procured, supplied, almost freely with the help of, and let me give you one more hint, Shivani. A very senior person, I won't even name the department, a very senior person in the administration, and I won't even say which state, is known to one of these actors and was spotted at one of the parties of these actors. Let me leave it at that. And that tells you that there is a larger nexus that they're looking at. It's not just about actors or the syndicate or consumption. It's about the entire racket and the kind of support that they get, not just material support, but also political and administrative support, Shivani.
So, Niranjan, the NCB has faced some flack. For example, they've been accused of parading top names from the industry, and some accusations have also been made that it's taking away from the actual probe, which was the Sushant Singh Rajput death case probe. Now, the agency has come out and said that what's happening right now, as far as the larger drug nexus crackdown is concerned, is not related to that case. In other words, they're saying that that case is separate, and of course, the CBI is looking into it. What this case is doing cannot take away from that case. But also at the same time, as and when these summons materialize, Niranjan, what will also be clear is the intention, isn't it? Because the big names are involved.
Well, absolutely. And just one small, I just want to add one aspect, because I think Amit Chaudhary is picking up some more details, Shivani. I just want to add one small aspect to what you said. let's look at the chronology. They say chronology, right? Look at the chronology of it. How did all of this start? After Sushant, Riya was picked up. Through Riya, Jaya Saha came under the scanner. Through Jaya Saha, Deepika Padukone came under the scanner. So one lead is leading into another. And with your permission,